Mahaba pa po ang tatahakin nating landas patungong plenaryo at patungong Senado. Ngunit hindi na tayo nangangapa because only then can we truly achieve accountability. Kapag may public official na nagkaroon ng seryosong paratang, huwag nating baliwalain, huwag nating palampasin. Let us therefore move forward with heavy hearts but clear minds. If the Vice President is guilty, let the truth convict her. If she is innocent, let the process clear her. But let it be done through the light of justice, not the shadows of silence.
Matapos aprubahan ng House Justice Committee ang report, resolusyon at articles of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, ipadadala ito sa plenaryo ng Kamara para sa konsiderasyon ng lahat ng miyembro ng House of Representatives. Paninindigan ni House Justice Committee Chairperson Luis Ro, kailangang ituloy ang proseso ng impeachment laban sa Vice Presidente.